In this video, you'll learn how to get the number of monthly searches on Google Trends. This is really useful if you're doing keyword research, planning content, or just trying to understand how popular a topic is over the last month. I'll walk you through each step, explain what you're looking at on the screen, and share a couple of tips so the data actually makes sense when you're done. First, open your browser and go to trends.google.com. You don't need any special account to get started, and you can do this on either desktop or mobile, though it's usually a bit easier to see all the charts on a larger screen. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar right at the top, along with some examples of trending searches. Next, click into that search bar and type the keyword or phrase you're interested in. This could be anything: a product name, a topic, a brand, or even a question people might search for. Try to use the exact wording that your audience would probably type into Google. When you've entered your keyword, press enter on your keyboard or tap the search icon. Google Trends will now load an overview page for that keyword. To really dig into the data, look for the option labeled Explore and click it. This takes you into the main analysis view where you can change settings like location, time range, and type of search. If you don't see Explore right away, it's usually near the top of the page, close to the search bar, or just below it. Once you're in the Explore view, you'll see a line chart showing interest over time. By default, Google Trends might show data for the past 12 months or even a longer period depending on your region and settings. What we want, though, is to focus only on the last month so we can understand recent monthly search interest. To do that, find the drop-down that controls the time range. It's usually set to something like past 12 months or last 5 years. Click on that drop-down to open the list of available timeframes. From the list, choose past 30 days or past month, depending on how it's labeled in your version of Google Trends. Once you select that, the chart will refresh and zoom in to only show the last month of data. Now, your view represents how interest in your keyword has changed day by day over the last month. Google Trends uses an index from 0 to 100, where 100 represents the peak popularity for that term in the selected time and region. It doesn't show absolute search numbers, but you can still interpret this as relative monthly search interest. Higher values mean more searches compared to other days in that same month. At this point, you can hover your mouse over different points on the graph to see the exact interest value for each date. This helps you spot spikes or dips in searches during the month, which is especially helpful if you're tracking campaigns or seasonal trends. You can also adjust the regional category at the top if you want to narrow results to a specific country or topic. That's all you need to get the monthly search interest for a keyword on Google Trends. By going to trends.google.com, searching your keyword, clicking Explore, and setting the time frame to the past month, you'll have a clear, focused view of how often people have been searching for that term recently.